Hey typewriter people, this is Joe with Ink&Iron, and I'm here with a really quick tip that I just discovered while cleaning out this Olympia SM7, and I'm just going to show you. Let me see if I can zoom with this camera. Apparently I can. So here on the card guide, let me get something smaller to point with. Here on the card guide there's some it looks like old whiteout kind of trapped behind the plastic guard, and this black metal piece is connected on the back side, so these are really sandwiched together. There's not a lot of room to get anything in there. So I was thinking, man, this is a tight gap. What can I get in there with to clean it out? And I have here some dental floss. This is like the extra gentle cloth version, but I'm pretty sure the plastic, typical drugstore dental floss would work as well. And basically all I'm doing, if I can work around the camera here, is I'm getting it up under the clear part, and then now you can see it's in between, and literally just floss that stuff away. Oh god, I'm caught. Okay, and there you go. Now you can see it's all sparkling clean, and I don't have to look at that old whiteout anymore. I hope this helped you to clean your own typewriter without having to disassemble anything, and not damage anything either. Okay, that's it for this video. Have a good one, and I will see you on the next video.